Hello, cosmos enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we venture into the depths of space, uncover the mysteries of the cosmos, and bring you the latest in the world of science. Today we're going on an interplanetary journey, and our destination is the red planet Mars. For years, the idea of colonizing Mars has been a popular theme in science fiction. But could it become a reality? Could we turn this frigid, dusty world into a second home for humanity? Let's dive in. The key to making Mars habitable lies in a process called terraforming, a term that literally means earth-shaping. The goal is to transform the Martian environment to make it more Earth-like. But is it even possible? Let's look at what scientists are proposing. One of the most fascinating plans comes from Jim Green, the recently retired chief scientist of NASA. His vision involves jump-starting Mars' magnetic field. You see, a robust magnetic field could, over time, help Mars develop a climate that could sustain life as we know it. Green's plan also includes an audacious proposal to stop the sun from stripping away Mars's atmosphere. How? By building a massive magnetic shield between Mars and the sun. In theory, without a constant stream of high-energy particles, Mars's atmosphere could start rebuilding itself over time. But this journey is filled with obstacles. Mars is a challenging candidate for terraforming. It's smaller than Earth, which means it cooled off much faster. Its once vibrant magnetic field shut off when its core solidified, leaving its atmosphere exposed to the solar wind. Over hundreds of millions of years, Mars's atmosphere was stripped away, causing it to become the red and dead planet we know today. To bring Mars back to life, some scientists propose kickstarting a greenhouse warming trend. Mars's polar caps are chock full of water ice and frozen carbon dioxide. The idea is that if we could warm these caps, they could release enough carbon into the atmosphere to start a warming trend. Sounds simple, right? But Mars doesn't make it easy. There's not enough CO2 locked up on Mars to trigger a substantial warming trend. Even if we evaporated every molecule of CO2 and H2O on Mars and put it into the atmosphere, Mars would still only have about 2% of Earth's sea level air pressure. We would need 10 times that much to avoid needing a pressure suit. Scientists have suggested radical solutions to counter this lack of easily accessible greenhouse gases. Perhaps we could build factories dedicated to pumping out chlorofluorocarbons, potent greenhouse gases. Or we could direct ammonia-rich comets from the outer solar system to collide with Mars. Ammonia is a potent greenhouse gas and eventually dissociates into nitrogen, the bulk of our own atmosphere. But there's another, perhaps even bigger hurdle: the lack of a magnetic field. Without it, every molecule we pump into the atmosphere could get blasted away by the solar wind. It's like trying to build a pyramid in a sandstorm. Not easy. Creative solutions are being proposed to this challenge. One idea is to build a giant electromagnet in space to deflect the solar wind. Another idea involves encircling Mars with a superconductor to create an artificial magnetosphere. However, as of now, these solutions remain beyond our technological reach. Despite these challenges, the allure of colonizing Mars is irresistible to some. They argue that the potential benefits of a successful colonization, such as the survival of the human species and the scientific insights gained, are worth the tremendous effort. But before we get too far ahead of ourselves, we should remember that we're still in the early days of Martian exploration. Our rovers and landers are just beginning to scratch the surface of Mars, both literally and figuratively. Nonetheless, the dream of colonizing Mars remains a beacon for humanity's future in space. As Jim Green said during a presentation at NASA's Planetary Science Vision 2050 workshop, "The solar system is ours, let's take it." And that, of course, includes Mars. While we wait for the day when humans first set foot on Mars, we can all play a part in making that dream a reality. Scientists, engineers, and even ordinary people like us have a role to play in this grand endeavor. Every new idea, every technological innovation, and every step we take towards understanding our universe brings us closer to the day when we can call Mars our second home. It's a colossal challenge, and the path is riddled with uncertainty and obstacles. But one thing's for sure: if we can successfully colonize Mars, it will be one of humanity's greatest achievements. A testament to our ingenuity, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. That's it for this episode, Space Voyagers. If you enjoyed our journey to Mars today, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more space and science content. Until next time, keep looking up, stay curious, and remember, the cosmos is ours to explore. Farewell and keep reaching for the stars.